So guys, none of the iPads have an SD card slot. I'm going to show you though the best adapters. So two options, the first one's best reviewed, the second one's best value. Starting with the best reviewed one. So this one is made by Apple, it's USB-C to SD. They also have a lightning version for older iPads. So what's great about this is the fastest speed. So you can use UHS 1 or 2. You can tell which is which by the code on the back. So for this, it's extremely quick. Plug it in. Just like that. So for example, you can view in files. You can press this icon at the top. Select SD card. I'll link this below if you're interested. Press the video. So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery for your AirTag. So I got the AirTag 2E. So the second option. Alright, so now the second option. So this one is about half the price, but it's not as fast. With this one though, you do have support for microSD. 5 other things too. So this one will accept any SD card, but does not use UHS-2 speeds. It's just what's for transfers. So yeah, when you're transferring stuff, it's not going to be as quick. So guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery for your AirTag. Alright guys, thanks for watching.